So once again, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, please subscribe before we get started. Like, share, comments, and if you find it helpful or if you have any question. Now starting with our Swiss franc JPY daily time frame, I actually did analysis on the 9th of August. You can actually go there where we predicted this bullish move. We actually opened and closed bullish, and now we are trying to predict on the 10th. Now let's see it on our daily time frame, full time trend, uptrend, right? And now we are actually ranging within this key area here, which is our resistance and our support. Our price actually hits our resistance, drop here, hit our resistance again, come to this our support, and now we are seeing a bullish move, and we will continue to see that bullish move till it hits our resistance level. We are actually aiming for it to hit. Now that is on our daily time frame. On our 4-hour time frame, still an uptrend move, price still above 10 period moving average. So shorting this, it will actually be a very bad idea. We should actually look for a way to actually buy this our Swiss franc JPY. So above 10 period moving average, still an uptrend move, right, by the way. So on the 10th, we'll very much likely open and close bullish on our Swiss franc JPY. And another reason why we'll be going bullish on our Swiss franc JPY is that our JPY index is actually dropping. See it's daily time frame, full time trend, downward, right? And now it is actually ranging within this area here. We can take it as our support and resistance level here. Drop to our support, it has gone again to our resistance, it has dropped to our support, now it has hit our resistance, and very much likely we'll continue to see that bearish move till it hits our support. So JPY index, as it is still going to be going bearish to hit our support level area, very much we are going to be seeing a bullish move on our Swiss franc JPY. Since our JPY index is dropping, which means our JPY currency itself is dropping, then our Swiss franc, which is the opposite of it, will actually be going bullish, by the way. So Swiss franc JPY, a bullish move again on our Swiss franc JPY.